In this video, we'll walk you through the process of how to group picture in PowerPoint. Select the images. The click and drag technique allows for rapid selection by drawing a marquee around the desired images. When the images are dispersed, hold down the Shift key while clicking on each image, providing the control needed to pick multiple non-adjacent items to gather every image on a slide. Pressing Ctrl+A in the keyboard captures everything in one click. This, however, means that everything gets selected, including text and shapes. To combine the selection, there are several ways to follow. After selecting the images, right-click on one of them, followed by choosing Group from the context menu. Alternatively, you can also use the ribbon. With the images selected, and within the Arrange group, I click on Group. The images are now a single manipulable unit. Lastly, by simply pressing Ctrl+G after selecting the images groups them in an instant, press Ctrl+Shift+G for ungrouping. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.